There is no doubt that we're experiencing quite a lot of disruption, both in business and in society at large, and we need to understand a bit where this comes from. Many people think it's technology, but to be honest, technology innovation has probably slowed down in the recent decades. It's more what technology enables us to do. The first greatest use of technology has been to actually improve agricultural productivity, and we did that through the 19th and the 20th century to the point that we've mostly emptied the countrysides. The next wave of technology was about manufactured objects, and throughout the 19th and mostly the 20th century we've manufactured objects and we made incredible improvement in productivity, and again we've emptied the factories, and with this obsession that we could replace labor by capital and that we could replace humans by robots. The latest wave of technology, which has hit us all hard, is that the type of technologies we've developed with digital technologies enable us to start moving up into white-collar work, which we had never done before. And now we're starting to massively displace not just doing pay or doing repetitive routine work, but also service work with technologies. So suddenly the productivity movement that has gone from agriculture to industry is now moving into white-collar work, and in a very real sense, it's touching all of us. I mean, me as a writer, my editor, the way we create books, I mean, things that we would always think were completely the domain of human beings are now being disrupted by technology. Now, this causes many problems, and it also offers the opportunity for the guys who thought that, hey, if we could replace humans by robots, it would be so much simpler. And if we could replace all labor by capital, it would be so much simpler. The problem is that solution makes a very, very few people very wealthy, and a lot of us, even though the society will take care of us, it leaves a lot of people without any meaning, without anything meaningful to do, without a role in society, which can be good. As we studied Lean, and as we studied the CEOs who implemented Lean, we can find that Lean is a completely different form of leadership than from this traditional leadership. It's a leadership that seeks reconciliation. It's a leadership that seeks to compete in this world, but not going this way. We want reconciliation between the company and its customers, between management and employees, between the company and its suppliers. We want to find better human solutions. This does not mean that we eschew technology or that we don't use automation or robots. This means that the human being is always leading. Systems, robots, mechanisms, IT, all of this is supposed to make people's life easier, to make work easier and more productive, but the human being is the person doing the work in itself, and this is the core thing about Lean. With this in mind, we can see that Lean is a different form of leadership. It's a new form of leadership. It's not leadership of vision and execution, it's a leadership of learning. This is a leadership in which we shift from a great leader with lots of followers and using IT systems or bureaucratic systems to just crunch out the instructions so that people behave like robots. It's a leadership where everybody can lead at their level, and we will support them and develop them in that leadership vision, because everybody can lead at a level on two things. First, they will be more competent, and secondly, they will be more trustworthy. People around them will know that future solutions will depend on them. We will not do this without them. So this is really exciting. This is a great breakaway from all traditional visions of leadership. This is a leadership of learning, and this is what we've discovered in studying Lean, and this is why I've been researching this, and I've been doing this with lots of great thinkers such as Jeff Liker and Dan Jones and Lars Morley and all these guys, and we've put it all together in this new book, which is called Lead with Lean, which describes our thinking through it piece by piece, article by article. But the fundamental message here is that we need to learn to compete in this disrupted world. And we either follow the bandwagon and join the finance world of turning people into robots, or we look for a better solution in which everybody's leadership counts and everybody's contribution counts, which is what we call to lead with lean.